Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a common issue: how to cancel a pending transaction on crypto.com. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, we've got you covered with this full guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, why would you need to cancel a transaction? Maybe you entered the wrong amount, sent it to the wrong address, or just had a change of heart. The good news is, crypto.com offers ways to handle this, but remember, not all transactions can be canceled, especially once they're confirmed on the blockchain. So, act fast. Step 1. Log into your crypto.com account. Open the app or website, enter your credentials, and make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're in, head to the Accounts or Wallet section to get started. Step 2. Navigate to your transaction history. Look for the History tab, usually found in the menu. Here, you'll see a list of your recent activities. Scroll through until you find the pending transaction you want to cancel. It should be marked as pending or in progress. Step 3. Check if the transaction is cancelable. Not every pending transaction can be stopped. If it's still in the unconfirmed stage and hasn't hit the blockchain yet, you might have a chance. Tap on the transaction for more details. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. If available, there should be a cancel or recall option right there. Select it and follow any on-screen prompts to confirm. You might need to enter a PIN or use two-factor authentication for security. Step 5. Verify and monitor. After canceling, double-check your account to ensure the transaction is no longer pending. Keep an eye on your balance, as it should revert if successful. If it doesn't work, don't panic. Proceed to the next step. Finally, if you're unable to cancel it yourself, contact crypto.com support. Go to the help section in the app, submit a ticket, and provide all the details. They can guide you further, but response times may vary. There you have it. That's how to cancel a pending transaction on crypto.com in 2025. Always double-check your actions in the crypto world to avoid surprises. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and happy trading.